In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record video in Google Slides. Recording a video while presenting your slides can significantly enhance your presentations by allowing you to add personal commentary or explanations, helping your audience understand your points better and keeping them engaged. Let's go through this process step by step to make it clear and easy to follow. First, head over to Google Slides, open your web browser, and navigate to the Google Slides website. If you haven't signed in yet, log into your Google account. This step is essential because it gives you access to all your saved presentations and the tools you'll need for this tutorial. Once logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage where all your presentations are listed. Next, we need a feature called Record to Slides. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Record to Slides in Google. This should lead you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can find various tools and extensions designed to work with Google Slides. On the search results page, click the link that takes you to the Record to Slides Chrome Web Store page. Here you'll find detailed information about the extension, user reviews, and a preview of how it functions. To add it to your browser, click Add to Chrome. You may be asked to confirm this action, so go ahead and confirm. Once installed, you'll notice a small icon representing the extension near the upper right corner of your browser, alongside your other extension icons. Now that the extension is installed, you can start recording your Google Slides presentations. Open the slide deck you want to record. Click on the extension icon and choose your preferred recording settings. You can record your screen along with your webcam and audio, which allows you to provide a complete professional style presentation. You can narrate your slides, add explanations, and even show yourself on camera to make the experience more personal and engaging. Once you've finished recording, the extension will let you save the video to your computer or Google Drive. You can then share it directly with colleagues, students, or anyone who needs to see your presentation. This is perfect for lectures, tutorials, business meetings, or any scenario where a live presentation isn't possible. And that's it. By following these steps, you're now ready to create dynamic, engaging Google Slides presentations with video commentary. It's a simple tool that can really elevate your presentations and make them more memorable. Thanks for watching.